everybody. So today is supposed to be super warm, and there's not a more perfect day to get kind of cooled off than to pressure wash your house, clean the windows, and just get absolutely soaked. So let's do it. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get this window washed and cleaned. It looks okay right now, but we can definitely make sure that it looks a little bit better. We'll get the streaks off of it, the hard water spots. So this is a gentle Scotch Brite pad. Just throw a little bit of that on there. Okay, so that was one window, and I've got several on the house. I'm only going to show you one other as far as the windows go, and it's the absolute worst window in the entire house because it gets overspray from the sprinklers due to the way that the sprinkler system is set up. And so we're going to do some before and after, make sure that it looks really nice, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so as you can see, the water spots on this are just, I mean, you can literally feel them. I mean, this is not smooth, it is rough. So we're going to apply the Barkeeper's Friend on this and the delicate bristle Scotch-Brite pad, and let's see what it does. Okay, so we did get some of it. There's still some left, so I'm gonna pull out a little trick. This is CLR diluted like a 4-to-1 solution, and that will help dissolve some of the calcium deposits and lime. Do not let this dry. Hey, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for notifications on any future videos being posted. Also, like, share with your friends, and comment down below. It really helps. And we'll see you in the next one.